One of the great revelations of the age of space exploration is the image of the Earth, finite and lonely, somehow vulnerable, bearing the entire human species through the oceans of space and time.
From an extraterrestrial perspective, our global civilization is clearly on the edge of failure in the most important task it faces, preserving the lives and well-being of its citizens and the future habitability of the planet. How would we explain all this to a dispassionate extraterrestrial observer? What account would we give of our stewardship of the planet Earth? We know who speaks for the nations, but who speaks for the human species? Who speaks for Earth?
It began with the forging of the great rings. The world is changed. I feel it in the water. I feel it in the earth. I smell it in the air.
It is surprising, is it not, how soon in life the die is cast?
I have to know the truth, monsieur.
And if the truth is not what you wish to hear?
I have to know.
Much that once was is lost, for none now live who remember it.
Could you do me a favor? Would you mind mentioning to your crew that you're escaping my dimension will trap me in yours?
Thanks for watching. Jose Eduardo, MUAR 424. Mars out.